Alright, morning guys. So, just a quick video again. Dito tayo sa workshop na naman natin. Ipapakita lang ako sa inyo na katatapos lang na unit, which is a monster build. Pasensya na medyo magulo yung ating lugar dahil may construction tayo. But let me just show you this monster build right here, no? Yan, no? Para siyang tren, no? Some call it train smoker, but we call it jumbo smoker. Meron lang ipo-point out na a few things na binago natin dito sa jumbo smoker na to. Iba ni-request ng customer at iba naman for the convenience of the end user, no? So, alright, so we still have the same quarter-inch thick build for this. May option tayo kung ano yung kapal na gusto natin. We also have steel, the insulated that comes with the jumbo smoker. Insulated firebox siya. And then ganun pa rin yung kanyang air intake options. Ayan. Alright, so this will be painted. Oh, no. This will be applied and with canola oil and beef tallow and then pa-prime natin siya. Ayan, look at those wells, guys. No? And the edges. Pero yung stand niya, ipipaint to, no, as requested nung ating client. No? Of course, shout out kay Mang Kulas Smokehouse na sa kanya mapupunta to. Ayan, and then meron siyang folding counter sa harapan, which is not standard sa isang jumbo smoker. And then, mapapansin ninyo, medyo bumaba siya, no? Yung height niya, yung height ng smoker na to, medyo mas mababa, mas maaabot, ano kung bigat? Ayan. Mas maaabot ng end user or ng inyong pit master. Of course, meron tong tambucho dito sa taas na dinudugtong. Ayan. So, mas mababa yung height. Nakaabang na siya for tell-through gauge, but of course, our gauge is good enough. Ayan, miski yung mga hinges niya are made of quarter-inch thick na plate. May lock pa din siya. Yeah, same counterweight. And then, meron siyang bar sa ilalim to hold yung mga wood ninyo. As you can see, doon yung tambucho. Ayan. It will be a lot more convenient for the end user. Yeah, syempre, ibabiyahin na naman natin to. Sobrang bigat nito. So, ang pinambabiyahin natin sa kanya, trailer going to Quezon for the new branch of, shoutout again, Sir Ryan Librada of Smokehouse ni Mang Kulas. Congratulations on your new outlet or branch and praying for more branches, no, para kay Smokehouse ni Mang Kulas. Alright, thank you very much for watching and smoke on!